The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. MightyOxTrading presents a wild week. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Tuesday. Hope everyone's having a great day. Hope everyone had a great night. Morning, Kevin. Welcome. Glad to see you. We are ready to rock and roll in the markets. Hey, Sheriff. Let's take a look. As I see, the markets have been going up all night. They're not. And they have. NQ, slow grind up all night. 455 was our low on the very first candle. 594 was our high. At 140 points. Morning, Rod. Good evening, Rod. Hello, Trade Together. Welcome. Copper. Wow, good. That's a nice rise in copper. And my yellow lines. I had internet issues overnight, so I had to get a whole bunch of stuff reset up, logged into. But about 200 ticks there on copper heading up. Gold heading up as well. Everything's on an upswing. Swing up. Swing, bada, swing. About 24 points there on gold. That's pretty big. Ultra Bond, let's see what it's doing. Oh, Ultra Bond. Wow, look at the Ultra Bond rising up. Ultra Bond yesterday, look at that. Big just U-turn and then all of a sudden up. It's almost about a 2.5 point range on Ultra Bond, which is pretty huge. Profitable trade there, Rod? Crude oil up to 87.75, about a 2 point range. And last but not least, natural gas pulling down just a bit. Had a great day yesterday. I'm in about the 300 ticks of range. There you see ES. Opening candle was its low, 38.81. It's risen all the way up to 39.22. So we are ready to rock and rumble. Yep, I'm trying ES this week versus NQ. Trying to find some consistency in my life. And we shall see. Yesterday I was on paper trading. I did great. We're back on an evaluation today. Need to change that. I did not trade at all last evening. I didn't trade at all last night. And we shall see how things go. Hopefully my internet's stable. I've been doing maintenance every night, or I shouldn't say that, like once a week, and it causes the internet to be all stupid. Well, hopefully everything will be good and great and all that fun stuff. And so we're watching here. Interesting candle there, as you saw it come back down. Now it's coming back up. So right now we're seeing a slightly lower low. Not look like a hard trading night though. So how's everyone else doing today? Oh, for some reason my cat has decided to join me. He's decided to make this a daily morning thing now. Not sure what's up with that. Not sure why he's all needy. But it affects my being able to see the screen. Uh, Watching ES here a little bit behind the cat butt. I cannot see the chat. Yeah, we'll check on news here as soon as I possibly can. Right now there's a huge orange ball of fur my way. You know, if you keep doing this and blocking me from doing what I want to do, you're not going to get any catnip for Christmas. So news today. Uh, and he's gone. So give me a second. Uh, Canadian S&P manufacturing PMI at 9:30. I'll write the bell. 9:45 U.S. S&P manufacturing. U.S. ISM manufacturing at 10. Jolts report. We get jolted at 10. This should be all fun. A whole bunch of stuff. Of course, tomorrow is FOMC. We'll be streaming all day for that. Coming down here, this is a trigger. Let's play the feud. Or it's not. Something's wrong with my Tradovate. Give me a second here. Am I on the wrong time or? Aha, yes I am, okay. Nothing's wrong with Tradovate, I don't think. Let's try that. No. Okay, something's not right. I'm 10 minutes behind on Tradovate. Okay, we have a problem. Yay. Okay. Oh, Well, first of all, I gotta change that. ES. The. Why does it tell me that's a non-tradable symbol? I have a problem. Either I have a problem or Tradovate having a problem. Okay, well, maybe I'm not trading today on Tradovate. Let's see here. Give me a second, guys. See if I can figure out what the heck the problem is. I'm still an hour behind. I'm 10 minutes behind. What the heck? Oh, this is gonna frustrate Ox. I have no idea what happened here. Alright, let me just try something. Apologize for the issues. Technical issues, please stand by. Okay, well that's not causing a problem. Why am I having a problem on Elite? Huh. Okay, let's log out. Okay, so it's working on Tostep. Now, Tostep, I don't have a, I'll have to paper trade. Give me a minute, guys. Let's try to figure out why Elite Trader Funding is not working. Good morning, Robin. Log out. Log in. Sure. Yeah, okay, let's go to Doom. Yeah, it's still telling me. Well, what the heck? Okay. Apparently ETF is having some sort of problem with trading. Okay, let me go check with their Discord and see if there's something going on. And we'll have to switch over to paper trading here if I want to continue trying to trade today, I guess. I don't know what's going on here, guys. Hello, Pack. Let me go look. Let's see if I can figure out anything. Yeah, that's all done. Mm. Okay, guys, we're watching ES as it's trying to pop up here. Actually, I'm watching NQ. As I try to figure out why exactly this isn't working. Alright, my live market data is not enabled, and I don't know why. So we'll try and figure this out real quick, as I keep missing trades. This was fine until I lost internet last night. I swear. Okay. Da, 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 da. CES kind of riding its EMA. It's fun trying to trade and trying to commentate and figure this stuff out at the same time. Give me a minute. Okay. And now it's not loading at all. Yay. Morning, JC. Okay, now we're loading, but we still don't have data. What the hell? Yep, I'm still 10 minutes behind. Let's see if I can figure out anything here. This is ridiculousness. Starting to hate all these companies. Okay, well, I just posted on the Discord for ETFs. This is frustrating. We'll have to go to paper trading, and I didn't want to have to paper trade today. I wanted to actually make progress. We'll have to go to paper trading on Tostep, I guess. Okay. Hello, Eric from Colombia. How are you doing? Hi, Mr. Overtime Wayne. Gossip. Second gossip. Hello, Shabbat. Well, ETF Discord just gave me a whole bunch of crap. So I guess we're on Tostep paper trading today. Not going to log out of everything, clear cache. They have problems they can't fix. They're idiots. Depends what FOMC does tomorrow for the bottom. Hey, Justin. Mystery Life. So I'm going to just say... This is ridiculousness. So ETF is going to the bottom of my list of favorite companies. So I guess we're switching to Tostep paper trading. This is ridiculousness. I am not a happy ox. Take 30 minutes there, gossip number 1. Or 2, whichever gossip you are. So you see ES heading up here as I'm still trying to figure out. I don't want to have to switch over to paper trading, but I guess I'm going to have to. My NinjaTrader's not working right. Had a database crash. Now Tradovate's not working right. I swear, all these companies are trash. Platinum? I don't do anything with options, Frederick. Platinum. Metals right now seem to be heading up. But it's been kind of flat and rangy for past week. Metals have gotten a bounce today for whatever reason. Right now looking bullish for the day. As ES and NQ continues to rise up. I just don't really matter to me. I mean, I think every company should put you live eventually. The sim mode is it is whatever. I mean, whatever, I'll trade whatever. Morning, Crypticon. So you see we're coming down here. I guess I'm gonna have to switch to paper trading and figure this all out later. There's the top of the hour, little pop. Big pop, actually. I'll try logging into Tradovate one more time, and then we'll just say screw it. Sorry, ETF. Obviously, you guys have a problem. Nope, still delayed data, still crap. So, ETF, I want my money back. I don't know what's wrong, man. I mean, Tostep Trader on Tradovate's working fine. I didn't want a paper trade. They never got me a reset code, so this is kind of frustrating. I am not a Louise, man. I don't have any luck there. Pack, yes, I'm working on that. I gotta try and figure that out as well. Maybe this weekend. So we're watching, I mean, basically we're still continuing this long uptrend here. Just been, I mean, there's been some dips obviously, but that's just one big dip there when after Europe opened. Another big dip a little bit later, but excuse me, other than that, heading up. No idea why I can't log into this is just frustrating, but okay, Tostep it is on paper trading today, I guess. So no real progress today because they got a paper trade. Ooh, big move down there, 3.5 points. And moving down. Okay, let me get logged into Tostep. Now, I wanted to, there's a chance of switching sponsors, so I wanted to, be able to do something today on Tradovate because I might be going back to NinjaTrader, but I can't get anything to work today. Oh, there we go. So back to paper trading for today, I guess. And I'm going to demand a refund from ETF. What's safer and works better, Cryptocon? I'm confused. So, okay, we're paper trading now. Obviously, this was a missed opportunity here. I gotta change the P&L. So, frustrating morning, and I didn't even lose any money. So, you can see here, this would have been a nice trigger right here, which would have worked. right there for 2 points. And then this one would work for 2 points. I think. Yep. I have a Tradovate Crypticon, not NinjaTrader. Excuse me. Back. Would have got 2 points there, 2 points there. This one, no. This one might have, probably would have, yeah, tricked me. So we'll mark that as blue. Purple. Purple. So 2 out of 3 ain't bad. No, I Tradovate. Yeah, they're just, they're having some. Other people are asking, so other people are having problems too, and they're just copying and pasting a response about clearing cache and cookies. That is such a generic response. I'm trying to use the Tradovate app. There's no cache or cookies on the Tradovate app. So we're paper trading because I blew my Tostep on Friday, which was fine, but they never got back to me with the reset code. I'm not gonna pay to reset to promote them. Switch over there. RTR. Just a bit early on that. If I start singing Christmas already, people are gonna like throw tomatoes. Or maybe cranberries or holly and berries. So we are popping back up here, but I didn't trust it. So, not the morning I wanted, because I wanted to actually be live trading. But hey, can't always get what you want. I'm only 7 years younger than John Ritter when he died. Why are we talking about me and ladies? Well, I mean, not exactly, not exactly a subject that I am any good at. So there's another 2 points. So you can see here, last three trigger candles would have worked. Now this would have went exactly 2 points. So with slippage, we might not have gotten that too, honestly. Maybe I might also still be having an internet issue. Hopefully it's not going to affect the stream. Yes, after the stream I will totally reboot my machine. Maybe that'll fix my Tradovate issue. MightyOxTrading presents a wild week of trading as the calendar turns to November and the ghouls and ghosts come out. And I'm not even talking about Powell and Yellen. Will Halloween week be full of Fed-infused tricks or treats of long profitable trends? For you, my loyal Mighty Ox herd, we have no tricks and two great treats for your bag of goodies. First, Wednesday, November 2nd is FOMC Day, and we will trade all day long leading up to the FOMC announcement and then trade the after effects. 8.5 hours from 7:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern. And then, less than 36 hours later, yet another treat as we pull an all-nighter and do our once-a-month London session stream. That includes the ever-popular YOLOable non-farm payroll report and the cash open. 9 hours of trading fun and excitement, and maybe a nap, starting at 2 a.m. Eastern. Make sure to be part of this wild and wacky week of trading as I work toward finally being funded by Tostep Trader. ES just popped up there to the top. So nice move up off that trigger, up about 3.5 points off the trigger. Are we at high day? That's a good question. Yes, we are pure. Yes, we are at high day. Well, not quite. This was high day right here. This candle, 39.23.75. We just hit within a tick of that. The stream okay, guys? Like, is there any issues with it? Uh, some of this might be an internet problem on my end. I don't know why, but it might be. Yeah, I have no idea what's going on. So, we're paper trading today again. Guess the world felt I needed another day of paper trading ES. Excuse me 1 second. Pulling back here a bit after double topping right now. Boom, 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 boom. Up. I have to remember to take down the Halloween decoration. I don't have a turkey. Redo that top, hopefully. So, waiting for our next opportunity. Let's see everything else then. This is not a normal stream. We're more fluid than this, but not having all these technical issues this morning is throwing me off. Some big moves there on CL all of a sudden. 35 ticks, 31 ticks. Gold still pushing up. Copper, get out of here, please. Copper making nice moves. Dow with a nice move down there, and then back up. Bitcoin hanging around 25.50. Dogecoin dipping. Dogecoin ripped again last night, not sure why. Touched almost 16 cents. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if it's a problem on my end, their end, or what. I know there's a couple other people who are having issues because they just copied and pasted stuff. So I don't know. No Dakota again today. Hope Dakota's okay. There's a opening of the Ultra Bond market or the Treasuries market pop up there. Anyway, maybe a reboot because I was having internet issues. I don't know why internet issues would affect Tradovate, but I'm not going to reboot in the middle of a stream, so there's paper trade today, I guess. New daily high there on ES. A nice little ride up there. How you doing, JT? And could crash back down. Burrow, you've missed the fact that for some reason I can't get live data on Elite Creator funding, so I had to go back to paper trading Tostep. Other than that, everything's fine. See if this breaks here. There's a nice move down. See if it bounces on the ZMA or it continues. We are. No, wait, no, we're not. I was gonna say we're close to news, but we're actually not. We don't have news today until after the bell. Nope, popping back up here. Strong move back up. Taking a long here. A little bit of a risk because we're at high day, looking for continuation up. We had the little dip. Let's see if it's ready to dip. You know, that was a little dip and then back up. We'll see. I said yesterday that if I take a trade on when paper trading that I wouldn't normally take on a live account or an account that matters, I'll tell you. And this one I probably would not have taken in if I was on an account that matters. So just full transparency. I feel, you should trade as close to how you would, you know, on an account that matters when you're paper trading. But this one, honestly, I just kind of want to get a trade in here because I feel like, in stream, you guys want to see trading, and if I'm on paper, there's no reason not to take a trade here and there that might be exciting to at least watch. So we'll see what happens here. Looks like it's not going to work. We'll see. The 3-point stop with a 2-point target. It's kind of hemming and hawing this 39.24 area. Burrow, I tell you, this is a day your bot would have loved if you had started like last night. It's just been basically one big uptrend. Still hanging at this level. See if it can push up. Pulling back here a little bit. Yep, it's coming down now. And let's reverse here if this sticks. Maybe a bounce. Maybe Tradovate. TradingView just got stuck. There it goes. Well, it's not showing the right price. I'm only down 2 ticks now. It's showing I'm still down a whole bunch. So we're having all kinds of problems today. Good morning, Deb. Back to my entry price. You can see it's back to my entry price. It's just not updating the actual thing here. Actually, we're now back in the profit. And it's moving on up. Moving on up to the deluxe apartment. Oh no, what, Jay? So this is another new high. Did break the high. Can it get up to my 2-point target? There we go. It's updated now. Yep. Back down. Ah. Wow. Yep, back down. We're down 4 ticks. There we go. Need to put on a new binaural beat. Popping back up. Pushing up. Target hit. So there we go. 1 for 1 today. Mark that trigger with its purple. So going back to yesterday, 9 for 9 on actual trigger candles. I misread one yesterday, and I did a trade that wasn't on a trigger yesterday. It didn't work. But 9 out of 11 for my last 11 trades. Yes, it was. Eh, that's okay. So now waiting for where this is a new high day, 39.28. Waiting for our next opportunity. You can see here if we switch to 15-minute chart, this is just a straight. I mean, it's there was one big pullback and then another smaller pullback, but for the most part, I mean, just a straight trend. Perfect, almost. Sorry. It was quite the day here. Apparently, people have either decided that tomorrow's FOMC is going to be dovish, maybe 50 basis points. I don't think that's going to be true at all. I think it's going to be 75 or something. But here, if it isn't dovish tomorrow, we could see a pretty big crash on FOMC. Might see the crash today yet. You never know. But that said, the markets haven't been horrible. The Dow had its best October ever in the month that just closed. And its best month overall since 1976. Well, I have an 8-hour stream tomorrow, so I'm hoping I have an account that works somewhere, so I can actually trade for 8 hours. I'm having some good luck now. Like I said, I'm 9 out of my last 11 trades, but they've all been paper trading, so I like to get back to actual live trading. But hey, do want to thank everyone for the likes. I didn't even remind anybody today. And we're up to 15. Yay. And we're trying to trigger down. Trigger down, trigger down. Oh, let's see if we get this trigger down. Or if we bounce here again. There's the trigger. I got my finger on the trigger. Let's see if we bounce or if we hold this trigger. Got 30 seconds. Technically, it was not a trigger. How about that? How about that? Technically, we're triggering here. I'll take this short. Hey, no slippage that time. Just kind of hang in this area. 39.24. Oops, sorry, I hit the mic there. Did not mean to hit the mic there. Oh, popping back up. I was kind of I felt like we were kind of iffy there. Let's see if it breaks back through the purple line. If it does, we'll make it out. There's the break. Give me a break. Holds though. Nope, coming back down. Trying hard not to overreact to when things kind of reverse. See, I have the 3-point stop up there. ATR is still only running 1.42, so anything under a 3 or a 4, I keep the 3-point stop. Above that, I move the stop to 4 and target to 3. Ooh, big move up here though. Yep, that's looking like we're heading up. So you could say I tried to play counter trend. Not really. I always try for the pullbacks. Like over here, it would have worked for two. Because I'm only playing for, quick moves. Not like I'm playing a full reversal play. In this case, we ended up with move up. Let's see if it holds. Coming back down. So there we go. So I didn't just jump out of the trade. I let it decide what it wanted to do. Now sure it breaks back downward. All right, now we're down a point. It's indecisive in this area. About 45 minutes till the bell. Popping back up there. Just kind of hanging, waiting to see. We're going to get stopped out probably. Yep, look at that. Popping up. So now, should I have reversed? I don't know. Probably. I mean, obviously, I should have reversed, but was there a clear enough signal? Maybe. And there's the stop out. Frustrating, John, not be just because I couldn't connect to a live account on Tradovate for ETF, so I had to go back to paper trading Tostep. Now I'm down on the day, so I guess maybe that's a good thing, but between yesterday and today, I've won my last 9 out of 12 trades. So I should have reversed there. I don't know. I reversed there, obviously I would have got the win up on the upside. How you doing today, John? Yeah, no, I missed 2 yesterday, but one was a misread and one was not on a trigger candle. Today so far, 1 for 2. Yep, coming back down. So this might just have gone far enough to stop me out and then tries to come back down. Yep, it hit my stop exactly, and now it's trying to trigger back down. It didn't trigger yet. We'll see. But we're in choppiness now. We're in the choppity chop. And another bounce here, though. Probably just going to stay flat, though, because it doesn't seem to be deciding what it wants to do. Oh, crap. That doesn't sound good, John. I thought fighting's accepted in hockey. Ouch. That's not good. Think this is going to be anything serious for him? You can see how this is hanging right on this EMA. This was our high of day right here. You can see it's come down, has not been able to get back up. Might be looking to fall. Okay, so just a suspension in the league. Nothing legal in this. When you said hearing, I wasn't sure if it was just a league type of hearing or if there was some sort of, So this is a trigger candle on the downside. But I still don't like this price action. I said I would try and trade paper as I would real. And we'll see what happens. We'll see what this trigger candle does. But I wouldn't feel confident trading it here regular, so I'm not taking the trade here on paper either. Well, looks like it might have worked. We'll mark it. To market, to buy an NQ. Oh, it's ES. I'm still not used to this whole ES thing. So see, it hasn't gone that far yet. I thought that candle looked bigger than what it was. Now, that's what she said. See, the Ultra Bond's been kind of flat as well here. Came up a little bit from it at its open, pulled back, but not real moving real well. Still wonder where Dakota happened. What happened to Dakota here? I think Q here, this would have been only about 6 points. These candles all aren't as big as they look. They just aren't as big as they look. Is they on? It's just sideways as we head into the 9 o'clock hour. Thank everyone for joining me. I see a bunch of people here, 32. Remember, if you're enjoying today's content, I'd appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Because of some easy for me to say, technology snafus, I am on paper trading today, so full disclosure there. Not trading any account that matters. We're 1 for 2. Trades. Took me a while to get up and running. Sideways action here. Yeah, a lot of news, and it's all after the bell. A lot of news the rest of the week. FOMC tomorrow. Non-farm payrolls Friday. Not sure if there's anything on Thursday. Let's look. U.S. international trade and, of course, jobless claims on Thursday. Oh, and we also have U.S. S&P services on Thursday. Composite factory orders. Wow, we have a lot of news this entire week. It's going to be a rockin' and rollin' week. Fortunes will be made and lost this week, folks. And no one won Powerball again, and the prize is up to $1.2 billion. About a minute till the top of the hour. Yeah, does look like Christmas lights. Yeah, phone is not the greatest device for this stuff. But it's nice to see you. Just slowness right now. Let's see. Did crude oil do anything? It's open here. Crude's been. Look at that move on crude. Look at that move. We're above 89 on crude. Big move up there. Looks like that's the winner of the morning so far. But natural gas is falling. I ain't afraid of falling, 'cause I can't get off the ground. I figured you've been busy, and, life takes precedence. Trading will be here as you can get here. Your learning partner totally disappeared, though. It's, not sure what ES wants to do here. Hopefully everything's okay there. It's one thing I hate about the internet is people can just disappear and you never know what happened to them. It's harder to do that in real life unless they like move away or something like that. But internet, poof, one day they're there, one day they're gone. You never know. Did they join the circus? Did they get hit by a cruise liner? Did they get sucked up by aliens? Did they join a monastery? Nobody knows. Could have been, you know, aliens in a cruise liner running a circus. Anyway, this would have hit our 2-point target, so I should have taken that trade. This trigger candle earned its purple. The platform you're seeing here is Trading View. That's where I'm charting. I'm actually taking the trades off of Tradovate, and they all generally look the same, but they all have different functionalities. I like Trading View for charting, and it integrates with Tradovate, so I can take my trades on Tradovate and they'll show up on Trading View. Pushing down. I've never considered becoming a nun. Wow, 39 people here, really? Hi, everybody. Welcome. Like yesterday, I hardly hit 20. Today, we're up near 40. If you don't mind hitting that like button, I'll appreciate it. No pressure, though. It does help the channel. It's a good show. I like Monk. Yeah, I ebb and flow, JC. Some days I'm huge, and some days I'm not. Well, hopefully tomorrow. Oh, thanks, guys. It's all the likes hit. You know, head up big time. That's no fun. Work, that is. I had to be up early to stream. And for that, I hate you all. No, I'm kidding. Trading's made me a morning person. I don't like mornings, but it's made me a morning person. That said, at some point, once trading is, making me all the money I need, I'll probably actually sleep more in the afternoons. And so we are about 24 minutes to the bell. A should be stopping in soon. RJ's missing as well. He wasn't here yesterday. Yeah. Is this the meeting about your raise, Burl? Yeah, I've never been a morning person. I'm the kind, if I had my way, I would stay up till like 3 or 4 and sleep till noon. You can definitely make money in the evenings. We've actually been testing my algos, and they actually do better in the evening and overnight sessions than they do during the day. So all these people that are like you can't make money in the evening are wrong. I hope they appreciated that. Man, about 45 minutes, I would say. I've been there a couple of times. Morning, RJ. Uh, about 45 miles, JC. MightyOxTrading presents a wild week of trading as the calendar turns to November and the ghouls and ghosts come out. And I'm not even talking about Powell and Yellen. Will Halloween week be full of Fed-infused tricks or treats of long profitable trends? For you, my loyal Mighty Ox herd, we have no tricks and two great treats for your bag of goodies. First, Wednesday, November 2nd is FOMC Day, and we will trade all day long leading up to the FOMC announcement and then trade the after effects. 8.5 hours from 7:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern. And then, less than 36 hours later, yet another treat as we pull an all-nighter and do our once-a-month London session stream. That includes the ever-popular YOLOable non-farm payroll report and the cash open. 9 hours of trading fun and excitement, and maybe a nap, starting at 2 a.m. Eastern. Make sure to be part of this wild and wacky week of trading as I work toward finally being funded by Tostep Trader. All you can eat ribeyes warms that idea warms my carnivore heart. That sounds like an interesting costume there. Definitely unique. And RJ, where were you yesterday? You were missing. I was ready to send out the missing report people, whatever that is. I don't know. Sounded good in my head. We popped up there by 2.5 points on ES. Popped. It's not a sustained bob. Technically a trigger candle, but I'm not taking it. I'm not. It was just out of nowhere weird. Oh, everything okay, RJ? It sounds like it was cool. So nice to see kids still using their imagination. Oh, RJ. Wow. You sound talented in that front there, Minxie. I'm sure your grandson appreciated that, RJ. And right back down here on this price action, but we're choppy. Good. Glad to hear that, RJ. So according to YouTube, I've got 8 new subscribers this morning. I don't know if I trust that, but if you've subscribed, welcome to the herd. Please feel free to say hello in chat. If you feel like introducing yourself. We're about 15 minutes from the bell. I mean, we've had an uptrend all day long or all night long, whatever you want to say. kind of pulling back a bit here, but it's been kind of a slower morning now. Nope. Friend of mine codes them based on my strategy, and then I just would try out different take profits and stop losses. They do run automatically. 8, 8. Have a great day, JC. I don't know. Sometimes sometimes YouTube will kick someone out right after they subscribe for some reason, so it'll count, and then they resubscribe, and then it'll count them as 2. So I don't know. Well, they're all still. I mean, I'm using them, but we're all, we have a small group of people testing them. Once we're more sure about it, we may distribute it, but we'll see where that goes. Trying to find the greatest settings. Were they hungry, RJ? Well, RJ, I'm on ES now. I'm not even looking at NQ. Oh yeah, you missed that news bulletin. I started trading ES instead of NQ for this, seeing how it's going to go this week. Yes. And between yesterday and today, now it's been on paper trading because yesterday I meant to paper trade. Today I didn't, but I was kind of forced to. But I have 9 out of 12 on the trades. So remember, we might be choppy and slower today because of FOMC tomorrow. We also have news after the bell today, so we might be choppy and slow because of that as well. This was technically a trigger candle back down for me here, but it really hasn't gone anywhere. Ace is missing today. Oh, wow. That was weird. Morning, Ace. Still missing Dakota, though. I don't know what happened to Dakota. He hasn't been here yesterday or today. Especially if you're being shot at. And we're moving down. So let's see. Let's mark that trigger. Well, this was actually... was that the trigger? Technically, but let's mark it here because it was more obvious. See if it goes 2. I've thankfully never been shot at. Also never shot a gun. I've never held a gun. I would probably shoot my other foot off, and then I'll be footless. Not footloose. Footloose! I don't know any other words besides that one, so I can't sing that one. We're 10 minutes from the bell. Happy November 1st, everyone. That's that predictable, I guess, Jay. Well, it's a good question, Minxie. I use a site here. Give me a second, I'll bring it up. This is financialjuice.com. They keep over here. They keep a running on the left side here. They keep a running schedule of what news reports are coming out, and then here in the middle they give any important news that comes out. And you can you can customize it by countries and importance and all that other stuff. So that's what I use. Financialjuice.com. Just kind of hanging here before the open. 39.22. Ultra Bond very spotty this morning. Hey, Fert, welcome. Nice to see you guys all being here the last few days. You guys were missing for a while. And Minxie, if you're going to trade in the evening, news is it's less important. I mean, there are other Asia countries like Japan and whatnot and China and do announce news, but they don't usually affect the market nearly as much as the stuff that happens during the U.S. session. But still something to keep an eye on. Remember, if your broadcast or stream, I should say, not broadcast. If your stream seems a bit delayed, remember to hit that live button to get caught back up. We might have had a couple little blips here and there. Yep, it is. And if you had told me if just a few years ago that I would be following financial news, I would have told you you're crazy. I mean, a year and a half ago, I had no idea what an FOMC is, and now it's one of the most important dates on my calendar every 6 weeks. Non-farm payrolls, had no clue what that was. CPI, no clue. But now Now I am on here and act like I'm an expert. Five minutes till the bell. Very slow grind down here. Grind. A grind. Thanks for that reminder, Ace. Ace says your November will suck if you don't hit the like button. And you don't want November to suck. November has good holidays like Thanksgiving. I'll actually eat carbs that day. Yeah, and it's Justin's birthday this month as well. I think it's like late in the month, right? Like the 26th, did you say, Justin? 27th? 26th, yeah. So that's a Saturday, so we won't be here. So I'll have to remember. No, wait, crap. We won't be here that entire. Because there's no trading on Black Friday and there's no trading on Thanksgiving. So we'll have to remember to wish Justin a happy birthday a few days early. Nope. Makes me I'm almost completely carnivore. Yeah, carbs are death for me. I'm a type 2 diabetic. I almost died once. If I eat carbs, my body doesn't like it for the most part. 38.88. Okie dokie. And of course, Ace was right about that short. I'm not sure if he took it or not. Yay. Good job, Ace. A little bounce there. Yep. My normal day is eggs for breakfast, chicken for lunch, and hamburgers for supper, something like that. If that's okay, Loper, we won't dock you pay today. So's my mother, RJ. 2 minutes to the bell, as Ace just said. Hey, Speed Racer. Hi, Mission. Good luck in Class J. Tell your professor I said hi. Vegetables have anti-nutrients in them. I truly believe that a low-carb carnivore or keto-based diet is the proper human diet. And grains are just absolutely horrible. Seed oils. Popping up here right before the bell. Funky Cole Medina. Sorry, couldn't resist. Welcome, Cole Medina. Seen a lot of names I haven't seen before, or I should say, seen before, but only once or twice. Nice seeing y'all. Glad you're here. We're ready to ding the bell. And there's the bell. Ding, 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 ding. One day I need to get a real bell sound. Popping up here, too. Ding dong, ding dong. Oh, sorry, bell. It's a little bit indecisive. We popped up by 2.5 points, sorry. But not really blowing the roof off the place. Up and right back down now. Now we're down by 3. NQ's up a little bit. Switch over to 5-minute chart real quick. So NQ's positive. ES is negative, so divergence there. What's YM doing? YM's positive. So tug of war here. Which way are we gonna go? Up or down? Up or down? That ES down 6 points here, and NQ just went red. I gotta learn the lyrics to Taylor Swift's Red. Red. Taylor Swift, new album. All 10, the Billboard top 10 singles are all hers this week. So it looks like red it is. Down we go. Down goes NQ. And it did give us a perfect trigger candle there. I don't often play the open, but that would have been beautiful. Beautiful. NQ back to green though here on the opening 5 minutes. You see ES popping back up a bit. Yawning a bit again. I don't know. My binaural beats just stopped. Need to find another one. So we're green here slightly on NQ. ES is trying to pop. I mean, the only seed oils I get are in like mayonnaise and ranch dressing, things like that, which I also hope to cut out because seed oils are like destructive to the body. Have a great day, Minxie. Thanks for stopping in. Hope to see you again here soon. We'll start doing evening streams again next week if you want to be able to stop in for those. So not not a lot of decision going on here. 5 minutes. Yeah, 5-minute opening candles. What I'm trying to say. Closing here in about 30 seconds. NQ down slightly. And we're gonna close here as a doji on both. Both it looks like are very close to a doji candle. Yep, only 3 points movement on NQ after the big moves up and down. ES finished down in that candle 2.75. I'll go back to focusing on ES. That's not a pretty chart, but it would have worked. This would have been the trigger candle, and this one would have worked. So give that trigger candle its purple. You'd see the bounce here. That could have, if I would have played that, that could have been a good move back up. Now we're just kind of indecisive. Very indecisive. Indecision rocks. And down. Down, down, down. But not sustained down. Well, we're going to take a short here. I feel short. Yeah, I feel like regular height, but you know. I got in slightly late. Only by 2 ticks. It looks like it's going to bite me. I hate being bitten. Well, there could be some situations where I don't mind being bitten. Stopped out, so that didn't work. Came close to working. Not really. Well, yeah. Okay, went to 1 tick on my target, popped back up. Yeah, we're just bopping here. That was probably a trade I should not have taken based on this ugliness. Is what it is. And it's coming right back down. So it might have been that I should have switched to 3-4. Let's see what happens. Yep, sidewaysness. See what everything else is doing. Or maybe we won't. Huh. My trading view appears to be frozen. Oh, there we go. Crude's dipping. Gold's kind of there. Copper dipping after a long ripping. Dow's ugly as well. Gas is falling. Ultra bond falling a little bit, but it's at a high it hasn't seen in a little while. Agriculture falling. Excuse my yawn. I usually mute for those. Popping up here actually, and I kind of missed that trigger up. I'm going to take it long here. In late by a full point. It's stuck again. I would have hit profit target if I had gotten it at the right time. Wow. So I'm going to get, yep, I just got stopped there. If I had not been late in getting in there, I would have gotten, it missed my profit target there by one tick. So just because of my delay, I ended up getting stopped out. Popping down. So we're going to probably just stay out until this figures out which way it wants to go, George. Which way does it go? Everyone got quiet as we're watching this, just the ugliness. Yeah. I would not have taken that trade there if I wasn't paper trading. I mean, this one, it should have worked. I was just late looking at it, so I shouldn't have tried it. This one, I'm not sure about. Eh. Whoa. Okay. Oh, that's right. We had news. Boom. So I forgot about the news. We finally found a direction, though. Do, 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 do. US S&P manufacturing PMI 50.4, expected was 49.9. Remember, in 15 minutes we have more news, US ISM manufacturing PMI and the JOLTS report, as well as some other US ISMs. So we saw NQ just drop 43 points on that candle. ES dropped 10.5. Ultra Bond dropped 9 ticks. Oil and gold didn't care. So I wish I had taken that short, but hey. That's a big drop there. You can see it just gave back this entire move and even got below this area here. We're now back down all the way back here, so it's given up the last 5.5 hours. Well, not in one, shouldn't say in one candle. It was pulling down already. You know, we reached a high up here, and now it's been pulling down. I think what did RJ say? 38.80. Yep, that's right. I was gonna say. Little bit of a bounce here, it looks like. So you can see here how it's been trending down. This is our high right here. This is our high candle, 39.28. So it's already dropped 20 points from its high. I don't ever look at a 4-hour chart. I look at way more in tune than that. Still dropping. Just bounced on 39.01. 240 minutes. Now you're making me do that. That's a 4-hour chart, right? Yeah, 60, 120. Yeah, that's a 4-hour chart. Why did you have to say 240 minutes instead of 4 hours? I'm here doing math in my head. Wait, is that 6 hours? No, it's 4 hours. You made me math. Orange juice would cause my blood sugar to go up too much. Oh, what happened, Matt? Were you long when that shorted, or what happened? I forgot about it too. Luckily, I was not in a trade. My fault for not announcing it. I tend to do that. I need a person that reminds me of news like 2 minutes before. Dakota often does that, but Dakota's missing this week. I hope Dakota's okay. Just do one at a time. You don't need to do them all at once, my friend. Oh, well, I meant like. Wait, do I have an order sitting there? No, okay. I just meant, I don't know. Monthly fees do cause issues. But are you using algo on anything, Matt? I know you were for a bit. You might be the only one that's not of the group. ES just broke 3,900. Heading toward that 38.88 that RJ talked about. Ace disappeared again. He must be making breakfast. So I'm looking at this and seeing. You can see here, I got stopped out and I did not reverse, and that was my mistake. This here was actually a trigger candle. It's where it stopped me out when I tried that up move. Stopped me out. If I had taken the reversal trade, I mean, obviously I would have only set it for 2, unfortunately. But you can see here, this could have been a 20-point trade. Was that ETF a funded or an evaluation, Matt? A little bit of a bounce. Okay. It's hanging right around 3,900. What's NQ doing? NQ's hanging right around 11.5, 10. Ultra Bond, big move down. So everything was up overnight, down during the day. It's kind of sticking here, trying to pop back up, staying above 3,900. Okay. Bought my Powerball tickets. I win the 1.2 billion. I'll open my own brokerage account. Yeah. I'll buy 100 NQ contracts at a time. I'll whip the market around. Kind of sitting there. Kind of curling up. Just kind of watching here. We're at the top of the hour. More news coming here in just 15 seconds. Jolts report. We're going to get jolted. As well as some more manufacturing reports. So be careful if you're in a trade. Another big move down here. Boom. Oh, and a quick whip back up. Wow. Hit a low of 38.92 on this candle. Trying to push down. Not sure what our goal of the day is. Shall we look? Boom, 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 boom. Looks like low of day was almost at the start 38.82. Looks like 38.82. So that's we're about 10 points off of that on ES. Another big move down. Let's see what the news says. US ISM manufacturing PMI actual 50.2. The forecast was 50 even. U.S. JOLTS job openings, actual 10.717 million. The forecast was 9.75 million. There we go. That's all the news that's fit to print. Great call there, RJ, which is to be expected. $30 points since that last trigger candle. Back down 33, which is a huge move on ES. Oh, hi Kieran. Sorry I missed you there. How are you doing today? No, I didn't. I'm paper trading, so I'm just trying to trade my strategy and getting used to ES here. Uh, One day I'll be smart enough to take his calls. I just called to say ES is going down. And then we'll bounce on the bottom of the range. Oh, excellent. Nice. RJ's a brilliant, brilliant trader. And ES continues to drop. So news has definitely caused the market to reverse. Great job, Burrow. Good morning, Chris. Glad to hear that, Burrow. We continue to come down. Now I didn't take it because it was a news pop, or do we still call them pops if they go down? But a news candle here. But this was technically a trigger candle back down. You see, we turned a little yellow on this Zurich moving average, and then we popped back down to purple. So right here, this could have been another entry, but I didn't because of his news. But with a 4-point stop, we could have got our. I mean, obviously, could have got more than 3, more than 4. We have a little less than an hour to go on the stream. Look for a couple more trades, hopefully. But we're just paper trading, so we'll see. Yes, continues to move down. Sorry. Wait, what is bent? Yeah, NQ is just continuing to fall as well. Its high seemed to be 619 here, and it's fallen down to 401, so over 200 points since its high. Oh, okay. Oh yeah. I forgot about the other crude. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, I was confused for a second. A little bounce here. So just the one direction here. So you can see since that trigger candle, now there's a trigger candle mixed in beside that trigger candle, but since this one, 43 points. That's a heck of a drop on ES. Heck of a drop. One day I will get a big move like that. Continuing to move. Just look at this fall. Not afraid of falling, but I can't get off the ground. So that is a $2,300 move there. And it's only been in the last, I mean, it's been exactly 30 minutes. Kieran, with trading that many things, how do you decide what to trade when? Do you have a bunch of charts up and you pick something, or do you just look at it when you start your day, you look at it and decide on one or two assets, or how do you decide what you want to trade that day or at any particular time? How's UB looking today? UB was looking very spotty at first, but now it's just been falling, a little pullback there, but don't know where our resident UB trader has gotten to this week. There's Dakota's missing. Oh, okay. So you just whatever alerts you, you go for it. Cool. That's kind of what I was trying to do originally. Then I'll get like 5 alerts at a time, and then I was like, Gah. I used to have like 50 alerts set up in TradingView. Then they'll keep popping up on my screen and get in my way of my trading when I was in a trade or whatever. A little bounce here. And by little, I actually mean it's a 8 point bounce. It didn't look that big. That's what she said. Oops. Pulling down. I mean, pulling up. Up, down, left, right. One of the two. Three, whatever. Short 419, so he's going short 419. We'll see where that goes. Oh, so Chris versus Kieran here. Kieran's buying, Chris is shorting. Both on NQ, I believe. So we shall see who wins this battle, folks. Kieran versus Chris. Chris is looking for somewhere around 407 for a target. Not sure what Kieran's looking for. There we go. We bopped down to 410 there. $409. $409. She's real fine, my 409. What I'm hoping for is that we dip to hit Chris's target and then comes back up to hit Kieran's. I want to see everybody win. Yeah, whoa, we just hit Chris's target. Good job, Chris. Back to looking at ES as we see it dropping like a rock. Dropping like a rock. Dropping like a rock. Yes, I know it's dropping like it's hot. That's a trigger candle. We're so far extended to the downside, I don't know if I want to trust it. Kieran's out. Sorry about that, Kieran. Ew, yeah, broke through, quickly broke through Kieran's stop. Should have taken that trigger candle, would have been a winner. It could have been a winner. And we're continuing to fall. Don't forget. Do we hit low a day now? Yes. We are at low a day, and we're below that level from yesterday. Let's see. You know, it'd be easier if I just put this on a daily chart. Boom. Except for all those lines that get in the way on the daily chart. Anyway. Low yesterday, 72. Did we hit that? Yeah, we've already hit that. We've already broken through yesterday's lows. Nice bounce there, though. Off that new low, right back up. Yeah, I think I'm taking a long here, too. Watching this. It extended above the Bollinger. Taking a long here. And extending my stop by 1 point to a 4-point stop. Extending my target by a point to a 3-point target if I can see it. There we go. There. There we go. Let's see if we get it. Let's see. There we go. Looking for just 3 points. It's not too much to ask, I don't think. Might be though. 38.85. See ya, Ace. Nope. Getting denied. Let's see what happens. Nope, it's Ace that's leaving Kieran, not Chris. Ah, gonna get stopped out. Not yet, but seeming like that's what's gonna happen here. Interesting. Yep, there's the stop out. So, ouch. $200 loss there. So I've lost everything that I gained yesterday and today. And I don't know. I guess maybe I should not have tried to get in there with it being at the top there. I just thought we were heading up, but that's what I get for thinking. But you did not earn your purple. Earned your blue. I see ES triggered me up there, but NQ never did. I need to start watching them both and wait for, since they're both basically making the same moves. See, this is the candle that the ES triggered me. NQ did not. Since they're both making the same moves, maybe I need to wait until they both show a trigger candle. So you just get stopped out there, Kieran? This market's just, any pop seems to get beaten down real quick, so don't go against the trend, I guess is what everyone will try and say. Which is a good advice, good advice. Because again, this was a trigger candle back down right here. And I got myself stopped out on that long. And if I had just taken the short, could have got 3 points. There's another trigger candle up. Not taking this one, so it'll probably work. Back down. So see, it popped up, and only didn't even go 2 points, and right back down. I'm not taking the short there either, but So as we get close to the stream, ETF just said that the Tradovate issue's fixed. Give me a second. I'm going to try logging in and see if that's true. Yep. So I should have taken the trigger. All trigger candles down are working. That was another 3 points there. Yes. Now Tradovate is working. 27 minutes to go, but now Tradovate is working. Okay. Well, we're going to log out of paper trading. We'll see if we get anything on. That's not what I wanted to do. Log out. Log in. There we go. Hey, everything's working. Yay. Big bounce there. I like big bounces and I cannot lie. Big move up. I lost. There we go. Okay. So we're fixed. We're on the ETF account now. Let's see if we can get a good trade. But we won't force it. But this was a good trigger candle back up. First one in a while. On the upside. This one failed. That was a failure that failed. Good job, Kieran. Good job, Chris. Have a great day, Chris. So look to see whether we get any trades here in the next 20 minutes or so. I'm not totally confident in that. We are seeing a little bit of a move to the upside. The low on NQ there is 375. It did pop all the way back up to 20. So that's about 45-point pop. Yeah, Ultra Bond popped as well. That was a cleaner pop there. Much cleaner pop. And that went, wow, that actually went like 20 ticks. It might be, yeah. I've never really, I mean, I trust the other traders that talk about that. I've never really studied it to see whether how often that actually happens or not. It's something I probably should study. But I know RJ talks about it, and I trust RJ. Now, see, it's triggering back down. But yet, now we're seeing this is more of a upwards momentum, so I'm hesitant to take the trigger down. We'll just watch and see what it does. Oh, yeah. See, I should have taken it. Wow, big move down. Trigger candle. Worked. It earned its purple. 5 points. Wow. So to answer your question there, Speed Racer, it looks like it might not be the switch. We'll have a little pop, but it's giving away that pop. We'll have to see whether or not it reverses again here. But this is this is our low here of the day, 38.69, and it's trying to head back down there. Ultra Bond just turned around, and Q turned around. So, it'd be interesting to. I'd love to get more people involved with following different things and like having a data bank of whether these like 1030 reversals, how often they actually happen, how many times the opening range works out. I can't do all this charting and all this thing, but it would be fun if we got like 5 or 10 people together that just followed 2 or 3 things just to really see what the overall, how everything, these thoughts that we have, how often they work versus how often they don't. Just like I love to keep track of, what the markets does for each time we have NFP, FOMC, CPI, and all that stuff. So we have like a data bank of like information, so we know how maybe, see if there's any trends there and how to trade news reports, how to trade things like that. Be good little project if we could get enough people to do it where it wasn't overwhelming to any one person. Seeing a little bounce here on ES. Don't you talk about the 1030 reversal, RJ? Okay, John, tell me about that. I don't know much about the Toronto Stock Exchange. Do you know how much that would affect the market? If I mixed you up with somebody else, RJ, I apologize, but I thought it was you that often talks about the 1030 reversal. But my brain does get kind of feeble at times. New low a day. And RJ, you might need to hit your live button. If you're just responding to what I said, then you might be a little bit delayed. So off that trigger candle there, we went down another 16, 17 points. Cool. Yeah, I appreciate that. Interesting to see if that affects the futures markets at all. Pushing down. New low day here in ES. 38.63 and a quarter. I'm sorry, NQ. New low day there, 11.359. Yep. John, it's not going to let you post a link, unfortunately. Um, YouTube blocks links. I probably could find something here on Twitter. Toronto Stock Exchange. Due to a technician, all trading. Yeah, actually, Financial Juice just reported it. It's making huge news on Twitter. It's experiencing a connection issue with order entry symbol range M to S. So I think somebody pulled out a wire. Okay. I thought so, RJ. Yeah. RJ, head over to the Toronto Stock Exchange and fix whatever is the problem there. We have about 10 minutes to go here. We're right at daily lows. Looks like we're not going to get a trade here on the ETF now that it's fixed. But unless something changes, we'll probably be trading it all day tomorrow. Oh. I need to get going for the day. Sorry to cut short, but oh, maybe not. Never mind. I don't need to get going. I apologize. Thought thought I had to, but I can still keep going for the next 5 minutes or so. Excuse me. So, I'm still heading down here. So, sorry about that, guys. Got a little disheveled here. But we're not going anywhere. I don't see us getting another trade here, but we'll continue on for the next couple minutes. Alright, beaver pelt's part of it. Moose meat. Nothing wrong with that. Best, best thing to do if you're trying something new or just need to get some confidence back or things like that. Hmm. Trading views tell me I have poor signal, which is weird. We run a speed test. Seems like there's issues like all around the internet today. Okay, it's not me, TradingView. I have 250 megabytes per second, and the best ping time I've seen in a while. Hi, Gardner. Okay, guys. So just watching this. Ultra Bond came down. Ultra Bond gave the cleanest moves here. We're seeing a little bit of a pop up there. Pull back, trying to come back up. That was a nice pull down there. $1,000 move there. Natural gas trying to pop back up. Agriculture. A little bit of a pop up here. Hit a high there of 89.45. Pull back, trying to come up again. MightyOxTrading presents a wild week of trading as the calendar turns to November and the ghouls and ghosts come out. And I'm not even talking about Powell and Yellen. Will Halloween week be full of Fed-infused tricks or treats of long profitable trends? For you, my loyal Mighty Ox herd, we have no tricks and two great treats for your bag of goodies. First, Wednesday, November 2nd is FOMC Day, and we will trade all day long leading up to the FOMC announcement and then trade the after effects. 8.5 hours from 7:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern. And then, less than 36 hours later, yet another treat as we pull an all-nighter and do our once-a-month London session stream. That includes the ever-popular YOLOable non-farm payroll report and the cash open. 9 hours of trading fun and excitement, and maybe a nap, starting at 2 a.m. Eastern. Make sure to be part of this wild and wacky week of trading as I work toward finally being funded by Tostep Trader. Except I'm not a gambler? Why would you say I'm a gambler? I don't take enough risk. That's part of my problem. I keep risk too small, get stopped out, then it goes. So I'm curious why you think I'm a gambler. Hello, baby T. Yeah, I don't consider myself a gambler at all. I was Hey Gary. Uber had good earnings today. They're up. new low of the day. Oops, that's NQ. Another new low a day. That's a yes. 38.50. That was another trigger candle that I could have taken. But it's time for me to call it a day, folks. I want to thank everyone for joining me. Remember tomorrow, extra long stream, 7:30 a.m. till 3 p.m. for FOMC. The CES dumping down here, down to 38.55 for a new low. So, next time Angels and Firestarter are here, I would like to hear you. No. Haha, but no, I don't ever go there. Anyway, that just totally threw me off. Anyway, have a great day, folks. We'll see you tomorrow. 8 hours of FOMC trading. Well, not FOMC trading, but leading up to the FOMC and then the after effects. You know what I'm talking about. Have a great day, everyone. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. Then we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.